This is how to fix low microphone volume error, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on the speaker icon at the bottom right of your, or you have to simply right click on your volume icon at the bottom and then click on the sound. So then here this type of the pop-up will open for you. Here you have to just click on the recording section. So once you are here in the recording section, you have to just click on your microphone that you are using. Like I am using the second one. So basically you have to simply select your microphone that you are using and then click on the properties. So new pop-up will open for you for the properties of your microphone. So at this pop-up you have to just click on the level section. So here you can see the microphone option. You have to just turn this arrow toward the right in order to increase it to the 100%. Similarly, you will find the second option which is named as microphone boost. You have to simply increase this according to your requirement. Once you're done, you have to just simply click on the apply and then OK. Right after that, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get the high microphone volume in your Windows 10. So now click on the advanced section, and here in this section you have to just uncheck these two options of exclusive mode and then click on apply and then OK. Right after that your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was a big help for you. If you have any question you can leave a comment below.